morning, YouTube. This is Storm Rider 116 coming at you from San Diego, California. Thank you all for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe and head down to my Instagram page at Storm Rider 116. So today I'm headed down to the Indian motorcycle dealership in San Diego. Gonna meet up with the San Diego IMRG and we're gonna do a little coast ride, head to Palomar Mountain, and then we're gonna end up at Josie's Hideout, the famous Josie's Hideout, for all of you that are from out here on the West Coast. So should be a lot of fun. Looking forward to it. Haven't done a motovlogging video in a few months, so yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Just a few updates regarding upgrades to my bike. As you can see, yes, I have the new FXRP fairing, and I did order myself some T-bars from Dean Speed. Those are in the works right now. It's about a 6 to 8 week lead time, so about halfway there. So hoping to get my bars in about another month or so. I went ahead and upgraded the headlight to the Moon's MC Fly Eye version 2. It's a really badass headlight, super bright, much brighter than the Eagle Light headlight that I had, and I'll be doing a review on that later on. I also installed some new turn signals on my bike, picked them up on Amazon for I think they were about 13 bucks or so, so they're pretty decent for the price, and I'll do another video on that too. So let's head down and meet up with the rest of the crew, and we'll hit the road for our ride. Going on, guys? We are all grouped up here on the road, and we are in the La Jolla area. We just got off the 52. We're going to be heading up the coast towards Carlsbad. From there we'll be making our way east, and we'll be going through the mountains in northern San Diego area towards Josie's Hideout, and that's where we're going to stop for lunch. So I'm really excited about today's ride. I haven't done any motovlogging in a while, so I'm hoping to bring you guys some good video footage. One thing I want to mention is what I really like about riding with the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group here in San Diego is that everybody's very welcoming, and you know, we got riders from all walks of life, very down-to-earth people. The road captains here really care about the riders, you know, they really stress safety and all that. So, you know, it's a good friendly family environment, and I recommend, you know, if you ride a motorcycle, even if you don't ride an Indian, to check out your local Indian Motorcycle Riders Group. I'm pretty sure all the groups are just as good as this one. So but yeah, guys, I am going to keep riding, so hopefully you stay on this short journey with me today and enjoy the rest of the video.
on, guys, we are at Josie's Hideout, and that's going to conclude our ride for the day. So thank you for watching, and remember to be safe and always have fun.